Aminado sina Carla Abellana at Jeff Eigenman at type nila ang isa't isa. Magkaroon na kaya ng ligawan sa set ng Rosalinda? Alamin yan sa chika ni Lars Santiago.
Inamin ni Jeff Eigenman sa GMA News na iba talaga ang naging tama sa kanya ng bago niyang ka-love team na si Carla Abellana. Una silang nagkita sa acting workshop para sa pinagtatambalan nilang telenovelang Rosalinda.
The very first time I saw her, actually wala, everything around me stopped. Tulala lang ako and yun, on the way to meet her, natisad pa ako and all that. So it really happened. So it says a lot.
At ngayong ilang linggo na sila nagtitaping, aminado sina Jeff at Carla na mas nagiging malapit sila sa isa't isa.
For her birthday, gave flowers to her as a sentimental. So yun, that's pretty much the very first time I gave her flowers. So yun, so malamang naman masusundan tayo.
Hindi ko talaga alam that he was there. Hindi ko talaga alam nagtago daw siya. So, surprise. And masaya.
Si Carla raw ang talagang tipong babae ni Jeff.
She's more than my type. She's everything about her. She's actually perfect. There's nothing more I can say about her. Nothing bad. Everything about her is good.
Eh si Jeff din ba ang tipong lalaki ni Carla?
In terms of personality, yes. At yung kanyang kabaitan, yes. Diba? Sino bang hindi magkakagusto sa isang taong mabait at gentleman?
Sa set kaya ng ipinagmamalaking telenovela ng GMA madidevelop ang isang pag-iibigan.
Anything can happen naman there. Anything can happen. Let's just time do its work. Bahala na kung ano mangyari.
Lahat naman po may starting point eh. So, we're starting out as friends, talaga getting to know each
Things
other.
will fall into place.
Yeah, we'll see na lang po.
Lars Santiago, updated sa showbiz happening.